Hello everyone. Back pain is a very common problem which is experienced by almost everyone sometime or the other during his or her lifetime. It is very important symptom because it is so widespread, and it is also important to speak about it because there are many misconceptions which surround spinal problems in general. So back pain, we hear people saying, oh, I had severe back pain the other day. I tried to lift something up and I had very severe back pain. I could not move for a day. So low back pain is usually referred to as back pain generally by people. Low back pain is a very common symptom. And what is important is to differentiate between the simple low back pain and serious low back pain. So simple low back pain is something we experience now and then. We lift something and we get pain, we travel somewhere and we get low back pain. Usually this pain is relieved in supine position, that is if you lie down it is relieved. You take simple analgesic, it is relieved. You take rest for a day, it is relieved. And you do some local malish there and then a massage there and it is relieved. So these are not the back pains that we are talking about. So how to identify which back pain is serious? How people should identify that and then get it investigated? So there are certain red flags that you have to remember. Any back pain which does not get easily relieved by lying down should be taken seriously. Any back pain that remains for a prolonged period of time in spite of taking rest and taking analgesic is or could be a serious back pain. Any back pain which wakes you up at night and or it doesn't allow you to go to sleep is a serious back pain. Any back pain that arises in a person who has history of cancer is also a serious back pain. Similarly, any back pain that starts after trauma or accident should be taken seriously and should be investigated. Back pain which is associated with radiation of the pain, that is the pain spreading from low back to the buttocks and backside of the thigh and calf, which we commonly call as sciatica, or a back pain which is associated with weakness in the legs, one leg or both legs, or back pain which gets aggravated after walking for some time and makes you stop while walking. So these are also serious back pains or could be serious back pains. Any back pain that is associated with urinary problems should also be taken very seriously. Any back pain with which one gets fever and it is not subsiding easily should be taken seriously. So these are some red flags that I always tell my patients to remember, and I want to share with all of you today so that you recognize which back pain should be investigated. When these patients come to our brain and spine clinic, we investigate them in various ways depending on the particular case, like X-rays, CT scan, MRI, or sometimes some other investigations like neurophysiological investigations in these patients. It is important to diagnose these serious back pains in time so that catastrophes are averted. Again, I would like everyone to remember these red flags, play heed to them, and get them investigated. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Jaydev Panchavak from Brain and Spine Clinic.